Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy, Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 14 from Madani Qaida, and today we will learn the rule of idgham. What is idgham? We will learn in this lesson with example. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what is the idgham, or what is the rule of idgham in an Arabic accent. What is noon sakin? What is tanween? How many Yarmalun letters are there? What is gunna? And what is the length or duration of gunna? We will learn all these things. We will find the answers of all these questions in this lesson. What is the idgham, or what is the rule of idgham in an Arabic accent? Idgham is the third rule or third case of noon sakin or tanween. Idgham is the third rule or third case of noon sakin or tanween. The definition of idgham is, what is the definition of idgham? If any Yarmalun letter comes after noon sakin or tanween, then idgham will be done and gunna will be done, but in case of lam and ra, gunna will not be done. What is the definition of idgham, or what is the rule of idgham? If any Yarmalun letter comes after noon sakin or tanween, then idgham will be done, gunna will be done. Idgham will perform with gunna, but in case of lam and ra, gunna will not be done. In case of lam and ra, idgham will be done without gunna. Here we have the terms noon sakin and tanween and gunna. What is noon sakin and tanween and gunna? We will learn in this lesson as well. What is noon sakin? If letter noon has jazm sign or sukoon sign on it, then it is called noon sakin, and noon sakin can be written as like this. Any letter which has this jazm sign on it, that letter is called sakin letter, and this sign is called jazm sign or sukoon sign. And this sign always placed above the letter or top of the letter. Here noon is sakin because it has jazm sign on it. What is tanween? Two zabar, two zer and two pesh are called tanween. Two zabar and two pesh are placed above the letter or on the letter or top of the letter, whereas two zer is placed below the letter or bottom of the letter. How many Yarmalun letters are there in an Arabic accent? There are 6 Yarmalun letters and they are Ya, Ra, Mim, Lam, Waw, and Noon. These are 6 Yarmalun letters in an Arabic accent. Again we repeat Ya, Ra, Mim, Lam, Waw, and Noon. What is Gunna? The definition of Gunna: Gunna means taking the sound into the nose. Gunna means taking the sound into the nose. What is the length or duration of Gunna? The length or duration of Gunna is equal to 1 alif. How do we pronounce idgham with Gunna? We will learn with example. This is the example of idgham because there is Yarmalun letter Waw comes after Noon Sakin. Here Noon is Sakin because it has Jazm sign. Noon is Sakin here because it has Jazm sign on it. And this is the letter called Yarmalun letter Waw. We perform idgham with Gunna. How we pronounce idgham with Gunna? Let's learn with spelling. Mim, Noon, Waw, Zir, Mew. Waw, Zabarwa, Mew, Ra, Zabarwa, Mewara, Qaf, Lam, Zir, Qil. من ورق الجيم نون زبر جن من ورق الجن نون زبرنا من ورق الجنة تا زيرتي من ورق الجنة من ورق الجنة من ورق الجنة. This is the example of idgham with Gunna. Thanks for watching. Kindly share this video and like this video, and also visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.